This is UNI restaurant. It was originally the concept for Urchin, which we worked with Nayati a few years ago as well. A few things happened, and we've reopened with this using Nayati equipment again, but just reliving what Urchin was, what it started off as, which is a seafood casual restaurant. Well, apart from it's one of my favourite things to do. That's how I like to cook. That's how I like to eat, and we hope that other people enjoy it too. We've kind of taken on the Japanese-French influence, but it's not just solely isolated to those two concepts. But there's all sorts happening. There's a gazpacho soup on at the moment, for example, which is obviously not Japanese. We have a constantly changing menu here. So you know, there's favourite dishes come and go every week. Probably the one we'll show you is the pork jowl with barbecue cuttlefish. It's textural and it's using a few pieces of your equipment actually, so it'd be a nice thing to show you. So there's a slow cooked pork jowl, slow cooked overnight, and then it's the sauces and the rest of the components are cooked on the rest of the equipment there. But the combi we use particularly for that, it sits at 85 degrees for 14, 16 hours, so the pork jowl is just like butter. Okay, this is the fifth project I've worked with Nayati. The first one being Urchin, and then since then we've used them at Damaria, Mexicola, Tropicola. I've got a bakery as well, which is purely Nayati. Building another bakery with Nayati as well. And yeah, they've always been quite good to work with. I find it aesthetically as well. That's the reason I've chosen Nayati again and again and again. It's really good looking equipment. It's reliable. The service, sales and backup is always very good. And I've got a good relationship with the guys too. As I mentioned, it's probably the fifth project I've worked with Nayati on, and I don't think I would be using anyone else. They've always looked after me. A good bunch of guys, and you know, there's a bakery coming up now as well, which will be Nayati. I don't see it stopping there, so anything else coming up will be Nayati too.